बराह रास्त आपको दिखा रहे हैं इस्लामाबाद से वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी ahsan इकबाल इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, in Pakistan we are taking flight under the new development vision Uraan Pakistan. Udaan Pakistan stands on 5 strategic pillars. 1. Exports, our engine for sustainable growth. E-Pakistan, a leap into digital future. Environment, for food, water and climate resilience. 4. Energy and infrastructure to power the next decade. And 5. Equity and empowerment so that no one is left behind. This strategy is not isolated from regional ambitions. It aligns fully with CAREC's Vision 2030, which envisages focus on 5 operational clusters: economic and financial stability, 2. Trade, tourism and economic corridors, 3. Infrastructure and economic corridors, 4. Agriculture and water, and 5. Human development. Under Udaan, we are expanding high-value exports like IT, halal food and engineering goods. Pakistan's IT exports, for example, have crossed $3.5 billion and are growing at 20% per year. Empowering youth through digital skills, we are training over 2
तिजारत और
million
तजारती सहूलियात के हवाले से गुफ्तगू कर रहे हैं वफाकी वज़ीर मनसूबाबंदी ahsan इकबाल इस वक्त तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।